Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Java on your Windows PC. So without any further ado, let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser option here and just type Oracle Java. Click and enter. And here you can see their official website, oracle.com. Just click the Java software here. And after that, here you can see the option download Java. Just click it and scroll down. And here you can see three different types of operating system: Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. As we are downloading it for Windows, click the Windows option here. There are three files available here, but we are going to install the installer, 64-bit installer. Just click the link to start the installation. As you can see, the installation the downloading option is already started, so you have to wait for the download to be finished. As you can see, my download is done, so I'm going to go to the folder and double click it to start the installation process. Select yes. As you can see, the installation widget is on display, and now select next here. I'm gonna keep all this as it is. You can change it by simply clicking the change option, but I would recommend you to leave this default. Click it, and the installation process is started. So we have to wait for it to finish the installation and select close. As you can see, the installation is done. Now we are going to set the path. To do that, go to search option, and here search environment variable. You can see edit and system environment variable. Click open here and go to advanced and select environment variable and select the path. So we need to copy a path here. So to do that, we are gonna go to this PC option and select C folder and go to program files and select Java. Go to JDK 25. This is the latest option just I installed. And go to bin and copy the path. Select this and select Ctrl+C to copy and minimize this. And here to paste it, select the new one and paste this by Ctrl+V and select OK and select OK and select OK. And the path is already set. And to verify the installation is successful, go to the search option here, search CMD, select, and here just type Java space dash version and select. As you can see, Java 25 is running on my PC. So this is the way to install Java and select the path. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.